Good evening, guys. I just want to do because a lot of people were asking me why I'm not good, normally looking for some and the rest. So basically, I'm just going to give a brief explanation why I've been buying gold and why I've been looking for more gold, buying gold. Even if I looked for sell, I've been looking for buy. And I'm not sure here. Let's leave it. This is why I spoke it out. I saw price rejected from this big this support level here. It broke above. Then I saw price giving me a structure that I don't know what to look up for in the market. Which in a nutshell, this is now considered as a high, and this is not considered as a low. That being said, if you're bringing about every retracement, I want to see price come down as low as this level. I want to see price come down into a discounted area. I need to look at buy. That's why originally and directionally gold is bullish. You understand? Originally and directionally gold has been creating a series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So that's the reason why I'm looking for buy. I looked at for buy here, I looked at for buy here. So I'm looking at buy 6. So no, if you've been watching the video and you've been following the videos, you're going to see one. That's first things I want to look up is my structure. I want to see my structure, the sweep of the previous level, price leaving with this, and I want to see price come back down with expansion. And that's what you're seeing here. We have the sweep of this low, taking out this low, we have this break above here, we have a massive push up to this level. So now that means that I want to see price coming back to the discounted area. So now we can decide to catch the sales into the discounted area or thereabout. But we know that we are looking at the price to come back into this PUI here. We want to see price come back into this PUI at this level here. Okay, understand? We want to see price come back into this PUI at this level here, then buy. Then buy. So this is one of the reasons why I have been buying. Why I spotted out to buy. This is my liquidity considered. This is considered my liquidity considered this major PUI on the discounted area. So now you can decide to catch the sell. Let's see if you're going to get a sell setup into that area. Let's see if you're going to get a sell setup into that area. Not moving too fast. Let's go down to the lower time frame and see if you can get a sell setup into that area. Slow bits. Now we'll be able to speak about the reason we have no price to come to slow. You can see that it's most of them to look more realistic, saying we have no price to come down if I expand. But that's the case, you can't be buying at the premium level. And I don't want to be wasting the time and you're being fully stuff. So what we want to see now is our structure. I have 3 types of entry. I have the first type of entry, which is I want to see if I'm selling, I want to see something like this, super high, liquidity being created, break of structure, granted by the liquidity in sell-off. Selling again, I want to see something like this, sweep, break of structure, liquidity created, then what? Sell-off. Then probably a break up low. You want to see price giving those a break up low, breaker, liquidity being created, come back, take it out, and see. These are the 3 basic things I look for as my entry method when I am looking for sales. So if I'm looking for sales now, I want to see price between that. That being said, I've sorted out this structure here. Sorted out the higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Now we have higher low, the lower lows. Let's take out this low. Now we have this structure here as this now, and I want to see price react from this breaker here. I want to set this breaker down. So that being said, now is that breaker considered valid? How do I know if the breaker is considered valid? I place my FIB here and drag it down. Check first if the breaker is on the premium level. Yes, and if the liquidity also to validate the breaker is also on the premium level. Yes. So if the liquidity is not on the premium level, I'm going to sell off. This is how I can get my engine. So this is one engine I'm going to look at to solve. Let's see if price to actually react from it. I haven't tested this before. I've forgotten how price reacted at sale. So let's see what's going to happen here. Good. if I go to expect it. So most of the time when you see my entries, these are basically why I sell most of the time. It's why I buy most of the time. I want to see this happen, and my SL is going to be becoming my SL here. This is good. There's about 300 pips, so SL is going to be here. I think this is about this is about 130 pips. This is about 130 pips. The safety SL is going to be there, and this is going to be liquidity validating this P1. And I want to see price come back here. Then we sell. Now originally we know that. Where are we targeting? We're targeting this low. Directionally, we're targeting this low as our take profit. Now, if I post a setup like this, it's going to look unrealistic because why you sell it and why you targeting that low. Now, the reason is because of that. That's the most valid POI that I have to buy to actually buy from, and that's why I want price to come down to this way. So let's see what happens if this cell activates. Will it activate? Let's see if this cell activates. Now you can see that price has given us a sweep of this what. We've seen a sweep of this high now. We've seen a sweep of this liquidity and price dropped off. Although the breakup look like price did not activate it. Then again, we'll move. But I can see that I marked the wrong breaker. I marked the wrong breaker because at this level here, this is the breaker was also marked here, which price actually activated. So I marked the wrong breaker. That's why I marked the wrong breaker. This is the breaker was also activated. You can see that price activated what our breaker. So if we're supposed to take this trade and we can wait for something else, whereas price already, whereas that was a mistake. So I spotted out the mistake in the marked the wrong breaker. And this is it. Me trying to get an entry. There's a breaker on the premium level. Yes, breakers on the premium level. Check it again. Look at it. From this high, track it down. You can see the breakers on the premium level. The liquidity is on the premium level. Price coming back, taking out the liquidity, and what we sell. Now, the majority of people, why their breaker block fails is the fact that when their breaker block is created, majority of the times here, their breaker is created inside. When you put it here, if you look at the FIB notice with the note, you to see that the breaker block is inside note. Most of the time, the breaker block is considered being inside the discounted level. Now, there's no liquidity to validate it. Sometimes the breaker block is on the premium level here, but the liquidity to validate it is on the discounted area. Now, that breaker block is not going to be considered valid. What you're going to see is price coming back here, and it's not going to be considered valid because if you go to sell here, price is going to sell from the breaker that you're supposed to sell from, the liquidity is supposed to be inside the premium level, also with the breaker, just like doing so this. So something like this, price is just going to fail. If you let's assume the breaker block is here, close out to this place here, and the liquidity to validate this is there, price is going to dip a little bit inside, react from the open instead of using the breaker. So this is how I spot this engine. My breaker must be on the premium level. I'm looking for sell or buy. I'm looking at a buy. I'm looking at the discount level. So my breaker must be on the premium level. Breaker must be on the premium level. Price must come. Breaker must be on the premium level. It must be liquidity on the premium level. Price coming back to take it out. So that's what we saw. We'll see here now for you. And if you check the picture I posted this here, you're also going to see there as well. So now this is us looking at that sales, right? And this is the sell happening here currently. But it dropped down straight to TP. You see the massive drop down straight to TP. It dropped down straight to TP from that engine there above. How was I able to get the engine? Price is giving us what? A series of what? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And so what price gave us this higher high. Then what do we see? So a lower low. Now inside that lower low, price gave us a breakup low, liquidity to confirm that breakup low, and price reacted there. Now, did I catch this sell? No, I did not catch this sell. I did not trade this market. I just saw market dropping drastically down to this level. Now, why did I look for the buy? This is it here. Did I catch the buy? Yes, I caught the buy. But why did I look for the buy? This is the reason why I looked for the buy. If I actually didn't have this one, I don't know. This is one reason I looked for it. Here it is. If I see that price is not even TP, price is not top of the zone. Price is not top of the zone. I caught the buy and get to this level. And this is it there. That is it there. Now this is the price has activated the zone. Right? Price has activated the zone. Now I can decide to look for entry immediately or want to see. I can decide to execute immediately or I want to see what more confirmation before I execute. And this was one of the reasons why I got good. You can see that TP has been hit, smashed. This is TP hit and smashed. The type of engine that's sent you of exactly is the TP has been smashed, which is I'm selling from the premium level. This is it here. Me selling at the premium level. Me selling at the premium level. And this is the reason why I sold it. This is the reason why I sold it. This is the reason why I sold it. Using the breaker. The breaker must be on the premium level. The liquidity must also be on the premium level. This is the reason why I sold it. I sent it yesterday, and that's what it's in there now. So now, currently, price has happened. So what are we looking for? We're looking for buys, right? That's what we need to see. We need to see the buys happen in the market. And we are targeting this swing high, which is this yellow line above. That's going to be our profit. So we're targeting swing high above. Now, on this level here, I cut my engine at this level. How did I cash my engine there? I went down to the lower time frame. Price has tapped in this zone. I went down to 5 minutes time. Going down to 5 minutes time frame, I saw price reacting from this OB here. Right? And inside reacting from that OB, price gave me my structure again. Which was this. A sweep of this low, and we saw a break above here. Now, checking it out on the 5 minute structure. This is the 5 minute structure from this low up here. I want to see price completely discounted area. And you can see my PUI here on the discounted area. Price came back to reaction. This is it too. Price came back to reaction. And you can see the liquidity inside there too as well. The price also cleared out here. So this was the reason why I bought gold. And one of my confirmation that I use is what I want to see what a bullish close. Once I see a bullish close against the last bearish candle, I am going to be buying. Most price come to the trade. You can see that we have a bullish close against this acceleration. So what am I looking out for? I'm going to be entering buys immediately from this level. And this was how I got the level. So instead of my SL to be below this level here, my SL now is going to be here. My SL is going to be, my entry is going to be here. But this was the period the bullish close happened. My SL is going to be what? Below this level here for safety. Then you can see how I started my engine. I posted this engine. Remember, I posted this engine. I posted this particular engine. This was how I got my engine on so I got my engine on gold. And this is the buy currently happening in gold. Buy the packet bought on gold. This was the reason why I bought gold. You can see them. This was the reason why I bought gold. I hope this explanation is helpful, and I hope this is really helpful as well. I'm going to show you how I cover most engine, how I cover more engines, and the rest. I'm just going to say that. So this was how I got gold buy. Now, after saying this, how did I know price was going to react to come back into this discounted area? How did I know price was going to come into the discounted area? You can see the structure here. Same structure here. It's printed out. Break. So we expect the price to come back into the discounted area and recover expansion. Is that correct? So that was why I posted another buy. The price came back into the discounted area. And what happened? Price came back into the discounted area here. This is the first buy here. Posted. You can check the channel, you will see it. This is the second buy I posted. This is the second buy I posted using this breaker block on the lower time frame. And this liquidity on the lower time frame also. There's a liquidity here on the lower time frame. This is it there. Posted. Posted this engine also. Posted this engine also. I posted this engine also. This liquidity there to validate it. What we're looking at our engine. Price from this level. And SL being under safety. SL being under safety. Targeting what? the same highs, targeting the same highs. You understand? Okay, so this is the reason why I buy gold. Directionally, I know that I need gold to clear out this high. Because directionally gold is bullish. Do you understand? This was the reason why I buy gold. That doesn't mean I swing it, I didn't swing it. But this was the reason why I bought gold. This was actually the reason why I bought gold. Then, what am I waiting for? I was looking for what? A breakout from this level. I was looking for a breakout of this level. This is a resistance level the price has rejected several times. This is a resistance level the price has rejected. And this is it. Looking out for the breakout of this level, then I look out for the buy. And that's how I put another entry again. That's how I put another entry again. Coming back down to that zone, then look out for a buy. So take an entry from here. So I mentioned from here, targeting that high. So I mentioned from here, targeting that high. So this was how the buy came about. Now I'm going to show you how I got a buy on on gold. I got the buy on gold this week. This is how I got the buy from how I knew gold was going to buy. And I want to show you how I got the buy again this week. I want to show you that how I got the buy again this week. So you're going to see it. So you're going to see the sell I caught the other day. I already explained how I got the sell. Same structure, which was this. This is the sell here. You say the sell happened here. You say the sell happened here. This is where the sell happened here. Right? Now, how did I catch this sell? Inside this level here, we have a break here like this. We have a resistance level here. The price retested, right? And price retesting that resistance level. This sell, I know it was a counter trade. You understand? I know it was basically a counter trade. Because why? I have this structure here being printed out. We have this previous low, price coming back to take out this previous low. I have this expansion here, right? So definitely I want to see price come down towards my discounted area, and I leave back my buy. So I already knew in my head that this was going to fail. And this sell setup was just a short setup, and so I was targeting on TP price. Although it was setting price to go down into the FVM, the 4 hours AVG. I was setting price to go down to the 4 hours AVG. When I expected this whole thing out, I could say that I wanted price to go down to the forward. When I expected this whole thing out, I had to close my sales. I had to close my sales instead of swinging them. I had to close my sales instead of swinging them. So how did I spot this sell out? I saw this and I saw this swing structure on the lower time frame on 5 minutes. Yeah. That being said, now I want to see price come back into the discounted, into the permanent level of sales. Right? Now, after spotting that swing structure, I know if I really just went. I placed it on this high. And I tried to do it slow. And you can see that I have a breakup block in between. This is my breakup block here on the premium level. And you can see that my breakup block has a liquidity to validate it as well. You can see that my breakup block has what? A liquidity here to validate it as well. And this was the reason why I sold. Now, although I wanted to sell here, but selling at this level, there was no liquidity to validate it. That's why I told you guys that this zone might want to fill, and price might want to use the higher zone to sell. But I could not tell you guys to put it over. We're already on the trade and we're already in loss. So there's no way I could tell you guys to do. I just have to check the loss. And this is why we sold from this level. So I sold from this level here. And the TP was here. 1:9. So I've got let's read 1:9 here. So this is it. This is how I got that sell. So I got a sell. Now when the buy activated, I was not active. But the why I bought, I have to buy again. Actually, for engine and buy again was after now this is the TP here, TP hits. I have to look for engine to buy again from I think above here, this level here. I have to look for engine to buy again at this level here. Why did I buy again here? Because I saw this on global time frame. I think the 1 minute time frame. I saw a swing structure here. This, then I was able to come back down, and what we see an expansion. Where is that reacting from? This time frame on the 1 minute. We have a breaker here. The price is reacting from, right? And price reacted into this breaker and expanded. So I think I spotted that on the 5 minutes time frame. This is it. 5 minutes time frame here. And that was the reason why I bought good at 3 a.m. on Friday. This was the reason why I bought good at 3 a.m. on Friday. And liquidity being here. Typically as protected in the 1 minute time frame. We check this out, and you can see that every structure that I marked out was according and aligns with my type of entry that I speak about every single time. Every structure that I mark out aligns with the type of entry that I speak about every time. So this is the entry here, and this is where I placed my SF the other day, Friday, and this is it. Originally, I'm targeting what price going to work, take out this high above. Originally, this is my original TP. But I had to close this together. I didn't want to hold any trade. You can see that this trade here was actually a counter trade. You can see that price difference was 1, 2, 3. I told you guys something the last few weeks that whenever you see 3 consecutive breakouts, people structure to your PY, know that price is expected to go and clear out what the liquidity above. Whenever you see what 3 consecutive breakouts structure, we have the first breakout structure, second breakout structure, and third breakout structure before happening the PY. Price is expected to come and clear out this liquidity here. And you can see that what happened, price is going to clear out all the liquidities. So this is basically the structure behind it. Why I put why I've been buying gold for weeks now. Is basically the structure behind it. Yes, there are a couple of losses in between because of some silly entries, but this is the reason why I've been buying gold for weeks now. I can show you further why I've been buying for months, but this is what's behind why I've been buying gold since the 31st of December last year. This is the basic reason why I have buying gold since last year. So I hope this explanation helps you understand why I've been buying gold and guide you to what you should do next. If that makes sense. Have a nice day. Bless you all. Thank you.